It's the first rain here. It was in Lebanon after a long period of dryness and hot wave. This is what they are calling about the hot dome. And I'm happy. I will try to show my plant from our balcony. If I can just put the orchids outside, they will drink water from the rain. Here is the hot pepper and the orchid. Anyway, this fresh breeze will give them something good. But down in the garden, they are so happy. It will clean everything. Yesterday, we were in one very high mountain. I brought this wild roses and this blackberry. I'm planning to plant down. And they gave me something also. They said the name is pepino. It's a plant which will boost this plant will boost, they said, the immunity. Pepino. I don't have this plant, so I don't have picture about it. If someone wants to make research, but I will try to plant. Of course, I'm always planning to plant the hibiscus, what is yellow. Anyway, I'm happy for the first rain. And it's cool. Here in Lebanon, it will rain. It will be a little bit cooler. Not cold yet, but very nice. Now very nice.